guys, welcome back to my channel. And today it's a sad day in the nail verse. I'm going to be showing you guys how I cut, buff, and file my natural nails. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell. These are my nails before I cut them, and yes, they are my natural nails. Gonna start by clipping my nails down. Instagram is in the description below. Since my nails are so long, I'm going to have to go back and clip them for a second time. Check out the cards at the top of the video and the videos on the end screen. Now it's time to file. Try to file in one direction. Now it's time to buff the nails. This is what they look like when they're done. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell.